Good morning, everybody. Today is a happy day for me because I'm not so busy with the homeschooling for my children because today is a
teacher work day.
teacher work day. Are you
Yeah.
sure? Oh, okay. Teacher work day. Rosa said the teacher work day. What the meaning is teacher work day? So no school for them.
Yeah, it's
today.
only teachers.
Only teacher. So you can talk to me here?
Yep.
Yes. Hi,
Hello.
this is my daughter Rosa. We have a homeschooling every
Day.
day. It's like a Monday until Friday. Homeschooling is very good for us because of pandemic, but later after this September,
Yeah.
we want to put them back to the school again. So I want them have a friend in the class. And today, because of teacher day, so we don't have a time to
Busy with the school.
busy
and
with the
stuff.
school. So we can make it
Good breakfast.
good breakfast, a
Yeah.
special breakfast. We always did it this like a Saturday or Sunday, but today because it's very special, we want to make it pancake. Okay,
Yeah.
pancake is good. What do you want to do? You put the syrup on top. What?
Whipped cream.
Whipped cream? Oh God, wow, it's very special. Okay, you want to bake it? You want to help me?
Yep.
Yes. Okay. To make it. This ingredient to make this pancake is very easy. I just need the flour, milk, vanilla extract, and salt, baking powder, sugar, and milk. All the recipe I want to put it in the description box so you can see it. Okay, now we want to start to put in everything in the bowl and mix it. After that, ready to cook. Okay, now I want to ask Rosa to help me. Come on, Rosa. Okay, now you start it. Okay, the first you need the egg for it's okay, whatever you want it. Okay, put the egg is fine. Okay, this can be the batter can be like this and not very liquid. Okay, now we want to start to cook it in that step. See, look at this. Finally, my pancake is done. Very fast to make it and ready to eat the breakfast with my children. It's very special day and special breakfast for them. Try my recipe. See you next time. Bye.